갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 내게로 와서 melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를.
Hi guys! For today's video, I have an order from Amazon. Guys, I just want to show you what's in here. So let's get open, and comes with this one. It comes with this. The attach of your hair dryer. Oh, look at this! How beautiful this one. Look, purple. And then it's on and off. There's 3 options in here, guys. And this is brand new from Amazon. I just received today. So that comes with that. And then also another one with this. Just another option to that. And it also comes with instruction, guys. The manual. And you can see that here. That, and this is, I will show you how it worked, this one, guys. This one, AC motor, blah 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 blah. So guys, just have on and off here. This one's brand new like that, you can see that. And this is beautiful color. I like it, and I thought this one can remove, but let me try. I guess it's not. So this one, guys, is attached by here. You see that? So you can turn that like that. So on and up like this. So I'll take a picture with you guys. I saw this online in Amazon. It say you can use also even you are pregnant, you can use this still, and also even the baby or hair dryer for the baby hair. Not a baby, it's just like a toddler's, guys. So I'll show you. And I just had shower. So today I'm gonna hair dryer and show you guys how it work my new hair dryer. Let me get it. So this one is really good, I guess. It's a good review in Amazon, guys. It is almost like purplish, pinkish color and here, and this comes with this. You can removable. So you touch this one like that, and we plug in, and then we try. They have an option here, so you can touch the option here, guys. So let's try. So so let's try, guys. It's the option. No, it's not the option I just said earlier. So I guess what is this for? It's the cold. I don't know what is this for, but I have to check. So this is the option here, guys. It's like 1, 2, 3 options. So it's cold. I like the cold one because it won't dry your hair. There's also, I like the cold one in here because it looks like, you know, your air drying naturally. And this is they have cold air in it, and then you have also warm air. So what I'm doing is, the first is like cold air, looks like your air dryer only. So I have the faster. So guys, it is nice and it's good, recommended for this. So guys, the option, this one is for this one is cold air, and this top is warm air, like your blue dryer. So like that. So this is warm, this in the top. Yeah, it's warm. So it's warm here. This bottom is a cold, all the way. Whatever option you press here, it's been, if you put this side is cold air, it's been, whatever you're pressing here is still cold air. But if you put this side, like the warm, this side, whatever is like, so they have, if you put the warm side, they have an option for warm and cold. So it's up to you guys which side you gonna do it. Say like that. After I hair dryer and I iron it, this is what's gonna come out, guys. So it's really recommended, but I give you a warning. This is a little bit heavy and while you're holding it, but it's worth it to your money to buy in Amazon. Another thing is, this is not sponsored, but I just love this product. So I hope you guys purchase this, and let me know down below. Give me a comments, and we'll see you. Bye.
Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레이